Welcome to the 6th episode of Tour the World. In the last 3 episodes, we explored Geneva, Lausanne, Stabio, and the countryside of Switzerland using our amazing 4K drone camera. Now, we'll be discovering Iceland, located between Greenland and Norway. Iceland was founded over 1,000 years ago by a mix of Norse and Celtic settlers. As of 2024, Iceland has a population of 377,689 and covers an area of 103,000 square kilometers with a coastline of over 5,000 kilometers. Iceland's unique geological setting has some of the oldest rocks on Earth, dating from 16 million years ago. It is one of the most volcanically active places on Earth, with 32 active volcanic systems erupting every 4 years on average. Icelandic climate is generally cold, with extremely dark winters. It boasts numerous caves and stunning waterfalls that are major attractions for tourists. During our journey across the country, our drone followed us closely, capturing the beautiful landscapes as we drove at a speed of around 40 kilometers per hour. We traveled through many places in the country with our car. In this video, we filmed 2 different waterfalls, Skogafoss and Seljalandsfoss, each located in different southern regions of the country. In the next video on Iceland, we will explore waterfalls in the central regions of the country. We started our journey in Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, in March 2024. The average annual temperature for Reykjavik is 4 degrees centigrade. The average temperature in July is 11 degrees Celsius. Reykjavik has a population of nearly 130,000 and is known for its diverse architecture. Traditional Icelandic houses, often with corrugated iron facades, are common, painted in vibrant colors to withstand the harsh weather. Their bright exteriors add a cheerful touch to the city, especially during the long winter months. The city also features modern buildings like the Harpa Concert Hall, showcasing contemporary design. Reykjavik's coastal location offers stunning views of the ocean and mountains, and its parks provide a peaceful retreat from city life. We then explored the Halti region in Reykjavik, known for its well-planned residential areas, green spaces, lakes, and bridges. These features add to its scenic beauty and recreational appeal, making it a popular spot for outdoor activities like jogging, walking, and picnicking. Bridges here are thoughtfully integrated into the urban landscape, allowing easy access across natural barriers such as rivers and lakes. Tourists can enjoy activities such as birdwatching and fishing. Our next destination was Seljalandsfoss, also known as Route 1 or the Ring Road, winding through some of Iceland's most diverse and breathtaking landscapes. It was just about 11 kilometers from the Halti region. Traveling along this major highway in the southern part of the country, you'll encounter dramatic contrasts. Lush green farmlands, rugged volcanic fields, expansive black sand beaches, and glacial rivers with towering mountains and dramatic cliffs providing a stunning backdrop. Continuing our drive 13 kilometers further on this route, we arrived at Hveragerði town, where the river Varma flows through. Hveragerði, the 3rd smallest municipality in Iceland by size, is known for its volcanic landscapes and captivating blend of geothermal wonders and verdant beauty. Exploring the town, You'll find steaming vents and bubbling hot springs scattered throughout the area, evidence of the powerful geothermal activity beneath the surface, with rolling hillsides adorned with vibrant greenery thriving in the warm climate. Next, we ventured to see the lava tubes at Hveragerði region, which was 14 kilometers from Hveragerði town. After parking our car, we captured some drone shots of the lava tubes. These natural formations, created after volcanic eruptions, present a fascinating underground world formed by ancient volcanic activity. It showcases stunning rock formations and intricate ice sculptures during the winter months. We then drove to see Seljalandsfoss waterfall, located 96 kilometers from the Hveragerði region. Seljalandsfoss is one of Iceland's best waterfalls, dropping 60 meters from ancient sea cliffs, created from melted water from nearby glaciers. It flows through a curvy mountain landscape, creating a mesmerizing 60-meter-high waterfall. It offers a mind-blowing view, and we highly recommend future tourists to visit it. Our next stop was Fimmvorduhals, 30 kilometers from Seljalandsfoss. The Fimmvorduhals trailhead is the starting point of one of Iceland's most renowned hiking routes, connecting the Skógar and Thorsmörk valleys, with many hiking trails offering diverse landscapes, including breathtaking waterfalls, volcanic craters, and expansive glaciers. Skogafoss, one of Iceland's largest and most iconic waterfalls, located in the Skógar region along the southern coast, was another highlight. With a height of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters, its powerful cascade creates a mesmerizing mist, often producing vivid rainbows on sunny days. We climbed the stairway adjacent to the falls for a breathtaking view from the top, offering stunning panoramas of the surrounding landscapes. Skogafoss is not only a natural wonder, but also steeped in local folklore, believed to conceal a treasure chest behind its thundering waters. With this, we conclude this episode, focusing mostly on the southern parts of Iceland, exploring several beautiful waterfalls and witnessing volcanic regions. In our next video on Iceland, we will travel through central regions, such as Vegur, and visit nearby waterfalls like Hraunfossar waterfall. We hope you enjoyed this video showcasing Iceland's diverse landscapes. Stay tuned for the next one, and until then, goodbye.